In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use eBay global shipping program. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first, let's just talk about eligibility. So generally, it is only eligible for items weighing 44 pounds or less and under 2,500 in value. Also about the protection, once the package is delivered to the domestic hub, seller responsibility ends. eBay handles international returns and items. So that is all right. Now, in order to go ahead and set up and use the program, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your account setting and then look for shipping preferences on your seller hub, and then ensure that the eBay international shipping option is active. When creating or editing listings, select the option to include international shipping via the program. It will now be the default for eligible items. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the